If you want to add a photo to a contact on Redmi A7 Pro, you can open the phone app. Now we're gonna go to view contacts here, this button, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and you can go to contacts in here. Next we're gonna tap on the contact for which we want to add a photo, and then you can use this pen icon in the upper right corner. Now here we're gonna tap on the current picture, and you should be able to either open the camera in order to take a picture right now, just set it as the photo for that contact. You can also choose a gallery. You can go to Google Photos. You can also choose a monogram or one of the illustrations. In my case, I'm gonna choose the gallery, and we can choose the photo from the gallery that we want to set for this contact. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. You can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the position of the picture. You can also rotate the picture in case it is necessary. And we're gonna tap on the choose at the bottom of the screen and then save in the upper right corner. And there we go. Leave a like and subscribe.